How to use Snapchat AR try-on feature. To use the Snapchat AR try-on feature, you must launch a shopping or brand-specific lens from the Lens Explorer. First things first, go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your device. Now on the main camera screen, tap on the smiley icon on the bottom. From here, you should be able to explore all the lenses available. Now you simply have to go ahead and then tap on the magnifying glass icon over here on the right hand side. From here, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on the search bar at the top. From here, you simply have to type your product target or specific brand name into the search bar, such as glasses try on or virtual outfit. Now once you find yourself that exact lens, you simply have to go ahead and open it. And once it is opened, you simply have to go ahead and then scroll backwards to your main camera feed while the filter is applied or the lens is applied. Now you simply have to go ahead and then proceed to tap on this big circle to add close. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.